Yes, no. I will ask you. Madhumita, mute. Did you attend last class, Nana?
Yes, sir.
What is reminder here? What is the reminder here in these two patterns?
Sir, 2m plus 1, 0.
In the 2m plus 1, 0 is the reminder, right?
Yes.
Into 3q plus 2? Okay. Sanjana, can you please unmute?
Sir.
Yes, Nana, what is the reminder here? 2m plus 1 and 3.
2m plus 1, we made it equal to 1, sir.
Very good, wonderful, good answer. Okay, mute Nana, mute. Very good, Nana. Very good, and Vijay, unmute.
Yes, sir.
What is the reminder in this 3q plus 2?
2, sir.
R is equals to 2. Okay, that's good. Good answers, Nana. So in 2m plus 1, 1 is the reminder, 3q plus 2, R is the reminder because you had to compare this by this. Okay, here this is quotient. Here is M is the quotient. It is Q is the quotient. And this is B. Here is the 2 is B and 3 is B. Right? Okay, anyway, good. Those who didn't give the answer, please once again go to SOS video as well. Remember, revise the same concept discussed very detailed in the last class. Yes. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think you mute Nana, mute yourself. You are unmuting. I close the class at 8:05 Nana today. Or if possible 8 o'clock I will close that meeting. Okay? I have to take more class to our 8th class children. On itself today. Get this question, Nana. Show that important question is the first question. Show that first example 1, Nana. Show that every positive even integer is in the form of 2q and every positive odd integer is in the form of 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. So let's see, look at the solution once. I will give you in the very clear explanation, but just once look at this. Is a b any positive integer and b is equals to 2, right? If you need a 2q or 2q plus 1, and this is our required b. Okay, this b2 is the b Nana here. Okay, that is divisor, right? By division algorithm, a is equals to 2q plus r. For some q integer q greater than or equals to 0, r is equals to 0 and 1. Because 0 less than or equals to r less than q. So a is equals to 2q and 2q plus 1. So if a is of the form 2q, then a is an even integer, also positive integer, can be either even or odd. Therefore, any positive odd int is in the form of 2q plus 1. I know you didn't understand this problem. Up to here, I think it's clear. Up to here, it's clear, I think. Even though we shall all that. Yeah. Listen carefully, Nana. Very important. It's a long question concept. Yeah. We know what we have. A is equals to BQ plus R. 0 is less than or equals to R less than B is our Euclid division lemma. Okay. Just wait, Nana, please. So here what are the forms we required? 2q and 2q plus 1 if it is even, that would be in 2q. If it is odd, that should be in 2q plus 1, right? See, what is b is equals to 2. Substitute in that a is equals to bq plus 2q plus r, where 0 less than or equals to or less than 2. See, observe this. 0 less than or equals to or less than 2. It means, what is the possible r values, Nana? Possible r values. It is an integer, so that r is equals to 0. Okay, and one more is 1. Only 2 are the possibilities, right? Isn't it? Right? So you can substitute in that a is equals to 2q plus 0 and a is equals to 2q plus 1. These are the two possibilities, right? One thing I'm rewriting. A is equals to 2q. We can write that. And a is equals to 2q plus 1. Please, if you have any doubt, please you can raise the hand, Nana. No doubt, right? Up to here. See, suppose if I take integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on, right? Positive integers is said, right? So even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, so on, right? So divisor is nothing but you have to divide with that number, right? So suppose for this even integers, divide with 2. What is the remainder? 0. Okay. 2 2s are 4, remainder you get 0, right? Okay. For even integers, if you divide with 2, you will get the 0 is the answer, right? Remainder is the answer. Remainder is 0, right? Isn't it? So now can we arrange this in a 2 is equals to 2 into 1 plus 0, which is nothing but a is equals to bq. In particularly, a is equals to 2q, where a is even integer, right? Did you understand? Yes, Nana. This division I have arranged into Euclid lemma formula. A is equals to bq plus r, where a is equals to a only, b is equals to is also b, and q is equals to 1, r is equals to 0. We can generalize like this: a is equals to bq. Okay, that I'm writing in a is equals to q form. So for every number, for this we can write 2 is equals to 4 is equals to 2 into 2 plus 0 we can write. Okay, that is nothing but 4 is equals to 2 into, which is nothing but a is equals to 2q form, where q is equals to 2, a is equals to 4, and b is equals to 2, right? Isn't it? So what we can say? Therefore, every even number is in the form of 2q, right? Isn't it? Clear? Wait, no. Second case, Nana. Vijay, please take a screenshot of attendance and send it to me. So suppose you take a is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on. What we get, Nana? Yes, Nana. This we discuss in the next class, Nana. So actually, we are arranging a special teacher. Today he is going to give the demo. That is the purpose. I'm going to take the demo for the class as well. Need to send the link first, okay? Okay, so that I'm going to